Hi, Langley Leopards. Today, for this Thirsty Thursday Spotlight art lesson, we are going to make a hot air balloon picture. Because even though we're stuck at home in our imaginations, we can think about all the places we can go. So, you're going to need a few things for this project. You're going to need a coffee filter, glue, scissors, regular watercolor markers, crayons, and a paintbrush or anything that you can sprinkle water on your coffee filter and some water. So you don't need a paintbrush for like painting with paint, but just with water. So first take your coffee filter and you're gonna cut it in the shape of a hot air balloon. So you're just gonna take it, and the hot air balloon is skinnier at the bottom, and then it kinda is rounded at the top. Kind of like a light bulb shape. All right, and so then when you're done, it will look something like this. So after that, you're gonna take your coffee filter and you're gonna color on it with the watercolor markers. You can color on it any way you want, but you want lots of different colors. You just don't want one color. So you could do reds, oranges, yellows. You can do stripes. You can do patterns. It really doesn't matter how you color it. I mean, color it nice and neat, but you definitely want to color all over it. Mrs. Jones is going a little fast because there's a lot of steps to this project. But you want to get your colors all over. And like I said, you can do wavy lines, you could do circles, but you want to color the whole thing. All right, I'm going to add a little more yellow. And you see that I'm doing mine on a paper towel so that it doesn't get all over, because it will go through. Okay. So then what you're going to do is you're going to take your paintbrush with water and you're just going to dip a little bit of the water on there. And what's going to happen is the paint is going to do what's called bleed. It's going to spread out to the other colors. And it's going to give this really, really cool effect on it. Then you need to wait about an hour for that to dry. All right, so I'm just gonna leave it on the paper towel and I'm gonna sit it to the side. And to save some time today, here's one of my ones that has already dried. So you see how it kind of looks a little tie-dye and cool? So now what I'm gonna do is I have this one on a white piece of paper, but my other example is blue and green for the sky and grass. So you can decide what you wanna do. So now I'm going to take my dry hot air balloon, and I think I'm going to do some lines on it with my Sharpie marker this time, just to make it a little more interesting. And you have to be really careful to not go so hard because the coffee filter will rip. All right? Ooh, I like that. Just the little zigzags on there. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip it over, and on the back I'm going to put just a little bit of glue, dot, dot, not a lot, and then I'm going to glue it on my white paper at the top, but I'm going to glue mine at an angle a little bit so I have space for the bottom of my hot air balloon. And hot air balloons are really cool because you can ride in them, and that's one of Mrs. Jones's on my bucket list of things I want to do one day, is I want to ride in a hot air balloon. So this is the basket where people will sit, and I definitely want to color that in. So I'm going to get my brown crayon and I'm going to color it in. But right now it definitely looks really, really boring. So I'm going to add some grass at the bottom. I could even Add some grass like this if I wanted to make it a little more interesting. I could add some clouds up in my sky. I could color it in. I could add maybe some birds. My hot air balloon is flying around the birds. So here is this example. All right, and then this one, my finished one. Okay, and this one I cut the grass and I added some cotton balls for sky. So even though we can't really go anywhere right now, you can in your imagination. So I hope you guys enjoy this Thrifty Thursday art lesson, making your hot air balloon out of a coffee filter. And if you don't have a coffee filter, that's okay. You can try just to make it out of paper. Be creative. I love you guys. I miss you. Have a great day.